What's up friends, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to switch back to personal account on Instagram. So what you want to do, you want to open up Instagram. So once you're inside Instagram, click on your profile on the lower right hand side, and as you can see, I am currently running the professional business account. So you'll be able to find that just below your description details there. Now what you want to do, just simply go ahead and click on the professional dashboard there, and it will take you into this page where you can see all the stats, etc. Right now, once you're here guys, all you have to do, click on the gear on the uppermost right hand side where you have the professional dashboard, and then you want to scroll all the way down to where it says preferences. So click on preferences, and then you want to scroll all the way down to the bottom where it says switch account type. Now once you do that, you'll be able to switch between your business account and your personal account. So just go ahead and select the personal account, and then you'll be prompted with this message here that says if you really want to do it, etc. So you want to go ahead and click switch to personal account, that is in the red, and then you'll be switched back to your personal account. Really hope you found this useful guys, and if you do, don't forget to give this video a like and hit the subscribe button below so that you'll never miss out when I release another tutorial just like this one.